Hello everyone, welcome to PBCB's Maths. Today in this video, I'm going to solve exercise 9.1, sixth main question. In the sixth main question, we have a 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30-meter tall building. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30 degree to 60 degree. As he walks towards the building, find the distance he walked towards the building. So for that, let's draw triangles with respect to this given data. Let's say AE is the height of that boy. So the length of AE is 1.5 meters. From this point A, that boy walks towards the building's foot, or that boy walks towards the building. At this point A, if he watches the top of the that building, angle of elevation is going to be 30 degree, and he moved from this point A to point B. When he watches the top of that building from that point B, the angle of elevation found to be 60 degree. So from his eyes, that angle of elevation is 60 degree. Then we need to find out distance that boy walked. That is, we need to find out the value of AB. So the length of AE is the height of that boy. So from his eyes, he walks the top of that building. So we should subtract the height of that boy in the entire height of that building, because that angle of elevation is calculated based on the from the that boy's eyes. So we should ignore the length of CG. We know that AE is as much as CG, because AEC is a rectangle. So we can say that the length of CG is also equal to AE, that is 1.5 meters. So to calculate the length of AB, we should calculate the length of AC, then the length of BC. If we subtract the length of BC in the length of AC, we're gonna have the length of AB, which is the distance traveled by that boy towards the building. So let's do that. For that, let's first calculate the length of DC. We can calculate DC by subtracting the length of CG in the length of DG. So the length of DC is equals DG minus CG. The length of DG, that is the height of that tower. It is given that it is equals to 30 meters minus the length of CG. We just found that it is equals to 1.5 meters. So 30 minus 1.5 gives us 28.5 meters. That is the length of DC. Now we have the length of DC. Let's concentrate on triangle ACD. In triangle ACD, we have the opposite side value. Then we need to find the value of adjacent side AC. So here we can use tan theta. We know that in triangle, in right angle triangle ACD, tan A is equals opposite side, that is DC, divided by adjacent side AC. The value of tan A is equals to 30 degrees. So tan 30 degree is equals the value of DC. We just got it is equals to 28.5 divided by the value of AC. Keep it as it is. We need to find the length of AC, so let's keep that as it is. We know that tan 30 degree is equals to 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 is equals 28.5 whole divided by AC. Let's go for the cross multiplication. Then by doing cross multiplication, we can write that AC into 1 is equals 28.5 into root 3. So the length of AC is equals 28.5 root 3 meters. So let's consider the length of AC as 28.5 into root 3 meters. Similarly, now let's find out the length of BC. For that, let's use tan theta again. Here in the right angle triangle BCD, by using tan we can write that in right angle triangle BCD, tan B is equals, what I'm going to write here is tan B is equals opposite side, that is DC, divided by adjacent side, that is BC. Tan B value is 60 degrees, so I'm going to write tan 60 degree is equals the value of DC. As usual, it is 28.5 divided by BC. The value of tan 60 degree is root 3. So let's substitute that. Root 3 is equals 28.5 divided by BC. Then BC is equals 28.5 divided by root 3 meters. So now we have the values of AC and the values of BC. The value of BC is 28.5 divided by root 3 meters. So if you want to find out the length of AB, you should subtract the length of BC in the entire length of AC. So let's do that. AC is equals to, sorry, it is AB is equals to AC minus BC. The length of AC is 28.5 root 3 minus length of BC is 28.5 divided by root 3 meters. So let's find out the LCM of 1 and root 3, which is root 3. So 1 root 3s are root 3 1s are. So we get here 28.5 into root 3 whole square minus 28.5 whole divided by that LCM root 3. Here we can cancel this square and root. Then we have 28.5 into 3 minus 28.5 divided by root 3. 28.5 into 3 gives us 85.5 minus this 28.5 whole divided by root 3, which is equals to 57 by root 3. Further, we can write that 57 as 19 into root 3 into root 3 whole divided by root 3. Now we can cancel this root 3 and this root 3. At last we have 19 root 3 meters. So the distance between point A and point B is 19 root 3 meters. So that boy traveled 19 root 3 meters towards the building. That is the solution. I hope you all got this solution. Thank you for watching the video.